Okay.
Sorry, hindi po kami makapag-live kasi ang Facebook ko ay na-lock as soon as I do the live. This is the box.
Well, I'm lost. You know what you're saying. I don't know what
I'm
you're
just trying
saying.
to
So
tell them why we can't go live right now.
okay. So what am I supposed to say?
This is the box, and we'll try to do the unboxing.
Okay. This is Milwaukee M18 fuel. This is a 3-tool combo kit. Comes with a hammer drill driver, impact driver, grinder, two batteries.
Sure.
Those are 5 amp batteries. Comes with a charger, and the charger is a M18 and M12 charger, and you got a contractor bag.
Right.
Okay, so this is the bag that it comes in. It's a contractor bag. There is a good amount of weight to that bag. That is pretty heavy. I don't even know how many pounds that is. Like 15, 20 pounds right there. Has a nice zipper. Pretty heavy duty. Has some pockets here, both sides. Not sure how long this is gonna do, because here it goes through underneath the so this, hopefully that doesn't rip. Same on both sides. This strap goes all the way down, so that seems secure. And it seems as if they put something here to, like a shoulder strap, that it included.
I don't know, they didn't show anything.
Okay, so it's on both corners here. This corner and this corner. Okay. Manuals. What?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. There's a little mesh here for the, I guess so garbage doesn't get in there. Okay. That's the lock. This is all metal. Feels really nice. Premium, high quality. This of course is plastic and rubber, I guess. But this is pretty heavy duty stuff here. That's the grinder, obviously. For the grinder. Nice Milwaukee handle. For 2 5 amp M18 red lithium batteries with the indicator light, the power level. XC 5.0. Has a rubber bottom so it doesn't slip. This is a handle for, I'm guessing, the hammer drill?
Hammer drill, yeah.
Okay. Let's go with this first. This is the charger. Both M18 and M12 batteries. This is the M12 and M18. The indicator lights. This is your what would it be? What would that
signal? I don't know.
Yeah, this basically lets you know what the lights do, what they're doing, what it means. This would be temperature. This would be a broken battery, I guess. This is fully charged. Charging is solid red, and this is, I guess, like working, you know, like loading, whatever. Okay. A little bit of a scuff mark there, maybe from the batteries or the handle. Not bad. Okay. Guessing this is for the grinder.
Yeah, for the grinder. And that's Milwaukee.
This is, I guess, one key, customize, track, and manage. So yeah, that's what I seen on the battery.
I think the hammer drill is one of the newest.
Yeah. On this battery, it shows right here a little icon, and that's the one key icon. And I guess you can track it, I guess, possibly, and keep records of, I guess, how it's doing or how much it's being used. I don't know. It's part of their smart tools lineup, but that's what that is. Put it there. So there is no shoulder strap, but they do have the here. They do have this on both corners of the bags, of the bag, and I'm guessing that's for the shoulder. So this is plastic, which is surprising. This is metal. This piece is metal, Chuck. But this might be metal here, but this selector seems to be plastic, some kind of quality plastic on there. 1 and 2. Has an LED light. That is bright. Very nice finish on this, on the chuck. That's 1 and 2. Reverse. High quality. And this is the impact. Let me see. Okay, your little indicator lights over there. Select.
Oh, that's how you said it.
Okay. Not bad. And it does have a light. For some reason I didn't even notice that, and I was wondering, but it does have a light here. Looks good.
Okay. That's it.
That is metal here. And that appears to be it. That's all you get.
That's it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.